Hey yo, what's up? It's Aisha Desha here, and it is Thankful Tuesday. And guess what else it is? It is tea with Aisha Desha, y'all. Where every Tuesday I'm going to be choosing positivity to post positivity on purpose. Because sometimes the world can feel heavy and a lot of people think negativity is normal, but I want this space to remind people that good still exists, right? So let's talk, let's laugh, let's heal, let's grow, let's be thankful together, y'all. So let me tell y'all how this got started, right? With me literally starting tea with Aisha Desha on Tuesdays, Thankful Tuesdays, y'all. So I recently, this past week, May 11th through the 16th, I was a part of this program called GAB Media Academy, y'all. And I got so much like poured into me. Like I felt like I always knew I was a light, right? But I had a light. My light got brighter. It turned on a little bit more, dramatically more. And so I met with Francesca Amaker, and I am so thankful and grateful for her. I'm gonna post her picture right here. And she was like, "Girl, you need to start. Start on your phone. Just do it right now." And that's literally what I'm doing. Matter of fact, I'm recording this in advance so I can do the edit and everything. But this is literally the same day, Francesca. So when you see it, this is the outfit I had on, and this is the same day. And I'm just really like, you know what? If this is what I want to do, I just got to do it, period. No matter what it looks like, girl, do what you got. And so I'm just thankful to be here, y'all. So something that Francesca Amaker said was get myself off the bench, y'all. Get myself off the bench. And I feel like almost 2 years and 8 months, for 2 years and 8 months, I've been putting myself on a bench that I've been putting myself on, y'all. And if y'all don't know, do know, my word of the year is unashamed. Like, this is the year I'm unashamed to tell my story. I'm unashamed to anything in life because I've been ashamed and shameful of my past and things that happened to me. But literally, y'all, what really kind of, I felt like for me, that kind of broke me down to, I would say, rock bottom. I hit rock bottom in my life, and I haven't hit rock bottom in a very, very long time. And it's been 2 years and 8 months. So 2 years and 8 months ago, y'all, and it's heavy. I was actually diagnosed with stage 1 breast cancer, and that it didn't almost take me out, but it kind of it broke me. It's not even going front. It broke me to it just broke me. I don't even have no words to even explain it, y'all. But 2 years and 8 months ago, because I literally did the math, and it's crazy. Like I'm out of my storm. You get what I'm saying? But I was going through a storm for a very, very long time, y'all. So like I say, I was diagnosed September of 2023. I was 29 years old, and I was diagnosed with stage 1 breast cancer. And y'all, if you guys do not do breast exams, do your breast exam. If you guys do not go to the doctor, go to the doctor, because guess what? That's what helped me, right? That's what helped me know that I had cancer. I literally did a breast exam. And so, well, really, let me tell y'all the story. So me and my friends, I was over her house, and we were just literally having a conversation, y'all. And I remember it to this day. So we were having a conversation, and one of my friends was like, "Yo, girl, we're gonna say Maya just got diagnosed with breast cancer." And I was like, "What, girl, for real?" She's like, "Yes, she just got diagnosed. She's going through the process or whatever." And when I got home that day, I did a breast exam. And when I did my breast exam, y'all, I found a lump. And guess what? Maybe in a month or so, I was having my annual exam. Went to the doctor. The doctor was trying to tell me, like, "Girl, I don't feel nothing. I don't feel no lump. I don't feel whatever." And a big takeaway for today is be a very big advocate for yourself, because if it wasn't for me saying, "No, there's something wrong with me," I feel like I would have kind of been swept over the rug, because the doctor was trying to tell me, like, it might be scar tissue or something. Girl, okay, but we still need to get it checked out. So speaking with brevity, did the test and everything, y'all. I ended up having all together, and then and I'm putting it all together ended up having like a double mastectomy. I was even going through complications through these 2 to 3 years, y'all. I was in and out of the hospital, and it was just a very, very crazy time in my life, and I feel like it was just really hard, and I had to go through it, and I was shameful. I wasn't working, y'all. It was a lot that I was going through, and that's kind of what stopped me from like doing my passion. Y'all know I want to be this motivational speaker, but listen, I had to go through the storm first. And two, I just had to go through it. Literally, no excuse, no nothing. And what kind of stopped me from talking about my story is I was shameful about it. I've had a very crazy past, y'all, crazy childhood that I've been ashamed of. I've been ashamed of my past, and it takes me a lot to talk about it. And I see why I didn't talk about me having cancer, because when I didn't want to, I felt like, and I got language for it the other day, I didn't want people to seem like I was weak, or that they had to take care of me. I learned a lot of lessons during that time, and it's gonna come. But I'm just really happy that I went through it. I got through it cancer free. Y'all, cancer free. I'm back working. I can walk. In school now, and during that whole time the Lord was always with me, y'all. And he is just so good. So if you feel like, even when stuff happens to you, John 13:7, Lord, I don't understand what you're doing, but soon I'll understand. Lord, I don't know why I got cancer, but I'll understand in the future. But it's just to help somebody else get through it. And I was helping people through it, but I wasn't saying it vocally. So it's done. I said it. I did it. I'm off the bench, and I'm just really ready to live more in my purpose, expand God's kingdom, be obedient, and just be that light of the world to let people know that you can make it through whatever you want to make it through. You will get through it if you keep that positive mindset. So happy Thankful Tuesday, y'all. This is like the first episode of Tea with Aisha Desha, where the T stands for positivity, and we're positive over here. So if y'all have any good news, if you guys ever want to share y'all good news, y'all positivity on here, please, please, please reach out to me. I love y'all so much. I hope you guys have a great, amazing week, y'all. I love y'all. Bye.